guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Gini and I am a part-time fashion reseller. Today in this video I am going to do 90 days update on my Kosei thread now, which is known as Helpsy source, and I got Crew Madewell sweater jacket Neovitag box. I saw Rachel doing these types of video in YouTube and it is actually very helpful because these boxes are costly. Like for me, putting $200-400 in one box is actually costly for me. So someone is doing 90 days update gives me little idea whether should I invest in this or not. She is awesome and she buys lots of mystery boxes and do 90 days update, so I will highly recommend. Also, what I'm going to do, I have my laptop over here and my mobile, so I will give you all the updates about that box. Also, I have my notes also. Okay, so I got this Crew Madewell sweater jacket box for $212, and originally the box was $249, but I got 15% off because I was buying that box for the first time from their app, so they are giving 15% off for the new buyers actually. So I got it for $212. So my cost of good per item was $10.6 and there were 20 items. Also, if you haven't watched that unboxing video, I will highly recommend to watch that video. I got this box in May and I listed everything in mid-June, not July, mid-June. So I have listed this in summer and now I'm doing this video, so it's October. So out of 20 items, I listed all 20 items, and there were 19 women's item and 1 man item. So the 1 man item was, luckily that was my husband's size, so I gave it to my husband. It was very nice fall color. Listed the 19 items out of that and 14 sold. And yeah, now I'm going to tell you the summary so that you will get little idea. Sorry if I am fumbling a lot because this is first time I'm doing 90 days update. I don't know how much I have to give you the information which will helpful. Alright, so here is a quick summary. So I received 4 Crew factory item and 13 Crew items and 3 Madewell items. Now there were 2 extra small size, 3 extra small size, and 6 is a small size, 5 medium size, 3 large size, and 1 extra large size. And there were 19 Neovitag and 1 Neo without tag. Alright, so the first item which I have sold in this box is this Crew Neovitag cable crew neck sweater, and the color was bright neon, and I listed this for $40 and buyer liked this product. I gave her 15% off offer with discounted shipping, and this sold on Poshmark. Actually, I have listed this on Poshmark, eBay and Mercari, and all these items were sold on Poshmark only. So I gave her 15% off offer with discounted shipping. So my earning was $25.48, and this is the amount after Poshmark fees. This is what I got in my bank, and I will tell my overall profit at the end of this video. So yeah, this is the first which I have sold. Now the second which got sold is this new Crew relaxed collared sweater, and this is actually very cute, and I have sold this for $43. So my earning was $34.4. Now the next which I have sold in this box is this Neovitag Crew Cashmere cotton cardigan sweater, and this is actually very good, and this is in size medium. So I have listed this for $100 and the buyer sent me $70 offer and I accepted it. So my earning was $56. Now I have sold this. Oh my god, this was like, I have received so many offers in this. So if you find this, just grab it. This Neovitag J Crew, everything is Neovitag. This J Crew Cashmere cotton striped pullover, and this is actually very nice sweater. So I got this. I have received so many offers. I have listed this for $72 and someone offered me 61. I accepted that just because I was getting so many lowball offers. So I thought 61 is perfect for me. So yeah, I sold it for $61. My earning was $47.08. After that, I have sold this Neovitag J Crew University Terry Zip Up hoodie with logo. So I have sold this for $34 because that was Neovitag, but it was not looking Neovitag, and I don't know, and it was very heavy. So someone sent me $34 offer. I accepted that and my earning was $25.48. I'm happy with that. Now the next thing which I have sold is this one was the only new without tag J Crew mall knit crew neck sweater. I was like, I kind of wanted to keep this, but it was little oversized, and I don't know why, but oversized sweaters doesn't look that good on me. So I have sold that. Someone sent me $40 offer on that. I accepted that, and so my earning was $32. Now which I've sold next. Okay, this one, this Neovitag J Crew hot sweater, and it was so actually good. I love that, and I have, like, I got an offer for $77. That was, I know that was 100% cashmere, but it was cropped, and 77 for me is like good offer for that. So yeah, and I have earned $61.6. Alright, so this is the best time. If you are still watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. This will help my channel a lot. Now let's get back into the video. Now next is this J Crew sweatshirt. It has side like white buttons in very cute pastel lavender color, and I have listed that for $40 and buyer sent me an offer for $35 and I accepted that offer. The earning was $28. Now the next is this Neovitag J Crew sweater blazer, and I actually listed that for, I think I have listed that for $80. I sent the 15% off offer, then buyer countered offer with 60. I accepted that, so my earning was $48. Now the next is this J Crew Neovitag logo crepe sweatshirt, and this was in the size extra small, and this sold for full asking price. I was very shocked. For me, extra small and extra small are very tough to move, and this got sold in like full price. That was like big deal for me actually. So I have listed this for $46. It sold it for $46, so my earning was $36.8. I was like very happy. Now next is this again new J Crew relaxed collar sweater, and I have sold this for $45. This was in size medium, and so my earning $36. Now the next is this. Oh my god, this one was very good. So this is J Crew 100% merino wool sweater, and this one was like very soft sweater, and I have listed these for $66, and someone liked it. This one in extra small, someone liked it, so I have sent the 15% off offer with discounted shipping, but they countered with the $42. So I have accepted that because that way I'm not paying for shipping and it's okay. My earning was $33.6. Alright, now next is this J. Crew 100% cashmere sweater in size small, and someone gave me $50 offer and I accepted that, so my earning was $40. Next, which I have sold, is this Neovitag J. Crew 100% merino wool crew neck sweater in black, and actually I received the offer for $50. I think I have received the offer. Yeah, I received the offer for $50. I accepted that and my earning was $40. So yeah, these are the items which I have sold. Now I'm going to show you which are still on my closet. And so this J. Crew like green sweater, I think this is cotton. Yeah, cotton sweater, and this is still on my closet. And this J. Crew sweatshirt has a crew written, and this is still on my closet. This is an extra small, so I'm little worried actually. I got 3 Madewell items and they all are in my closet right now, which I am not happy. So this Madewell hoodie sweater, this is very good fall sweater and they are still on my closet. And this Madewell back button sweater, oh, it has the buttons on the back, and this is actually very cute sweater. This is in extra small. They are still in my closet. And I can't believe this Madewell, this is extra small alpaca wool sweater, waffle knit. This is very good. It has very, I don't know how to explain, it has a sparkling little this is actually very nice. I don't know how to describe this. They are still in my closet. So yeah, these are still in my closet, and if you are interested in any of these, let me know in a comment section or on my Instagram or on my Poshmark closet. I will give you special discount. I know we are into like fall, so this will sell, but yeah. Alright, so my total cost of goods for this box is $212, and after selling these 14 items I have earned $542.96. So my profit after subtracting my cost of goods, like the cost of the box, is $330.96. So yeah, I have doubled my money, like little bit more, and I know these all 4 will eventually like sell, and whether I'll buy this box again or not, I think yes, I will buy it, because you can, like with this box you can at least double your money. So if you are doubling your $200 into $400 with the box, like which will come to your house, you just Neovitag, you just have to list it and that's it. So yeah, I will highly recommend to buy this. Try it, because in my area actually I like rarely find Neovitag items, like Neovitag sweaters, so like it's very rare. So my cost of goods was 10.6, and in my area if you are getting Neovitag sweaters, they will charge you 9.99, or sometimes depending on the brand they will charge 12.99. so for me, I'm getting the box, like they are delivered to your house without going out, and your per cost average is 10.6. so for me it's actually really good. But if you are getting these like Neovitag sweaters cheaper than that, so that's like up to you whether you wanna like pay this much for your like per cost item. So it's all depend, but yeah, I will highly recommend. You can see, you can check and get it for yourself, and you can check. This is like, actually this was actually very good. Like I got so many colors, so many sizes, and so many good content. Like many of them are silk, cotton, that cashmere, merino wool, alpaca wool, so and very different patterns, designs. So yeah, I am actually very happy with this box. So yeah, that's it for the video. This is my like first 90-day update video. I don't know how I did. I have ordered another box from them, not this box, but yeah, I have ordered another box. I'm going to unbox that soon. So yeah, that's it for the video. Please let me know how I did and what is your opinion, and let me know whether you will buy, and if you have, then let me know your profit, what you think, what you got, like everything. So yeah, and if you haven't subscribed and if you are still watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button, that way YouTube know that you are liking these types of video. So yeah, now I'm going to talk to you guys later. Till then, bye and have a nice day.